Hi everyone, my name is Olopade, also known as Igwe. I'm the head of marketing at AlFeAde Records.
Hi, I am Tobi Alapo, also known as Blacksmith. I am the head of A&R with AlFeAde Records, and we are live on Court Session with AlFeAdeTV. Do you know? I know. It's Ghana.
Ghana, yeah.
Gold Coast. It's Ghana.
It's Ghana, yeah.
Come on.
Got it. Sierra Leone.
Sierra Leone, yes.
Sierra Leone.
Brazzaville.
Oh, Gadugu. What did you say? Brazzaville. Okay.
Bro, you're an American citizen. What's up?
That don't mean nothing.
I don't know.
1805.
You are 62 years. I follow the head of marketing.
UK.
That's what I wanted to say, bro. I was just like, okay, I should follow you.
I know it's one of those European countries.
Okay.
Horse.
Horse.
Because that's one of my wife's dream cars, so I gotta memorize that. Trust me, bro. Next question, please.
Next. I thought you said there was no next. No answer.
How will we know that?
I voted
I don't
me.
know.
10 songs.
That's your job.
Come on. Igwe, Oliver Twist, Fall in Love, Endowed, Bono Feli Feli, Scapegoat, Tungolo, Give It To Me Now.
Two more, bro. Two more.
Olomaje, and then Oyato. Artist name, let's go with artist name. Adedewe.
Adedewe.
Final answer.
Artist name.
I signed him. Well, the governor of New York. Don't you know the governor of New York?
Don't you know the governor?
I do. It's Cuomo.
Yeah.
It's just either Michael Cuomo or something.
I don't know. I always mix the brothers' name.
Well, I'm a musician. I'm sorry. Shout out to the Cuomo brothers. But I know it's Cuomo something. Hey, Andrew.
Give us half mark.
Yeah. I'm scanning because I've been to so many places in Africa, so I'm scanning my head.
Switzerland of Africa.
The problem is I've never been to Switzerland.
So we don't know how to compare it. So we don't know how to compare it. Neither have I.
I just figured out where the challenge was. Okay, Africa or Switzerland. Okay, I don't know what.
Because we don't know how to compare it.
So I would say South Africa.
South Africa,
Cape
yeah.
Town, South Africa. Rwanda. Wow, following my instincts.
Damatu, yes.
Yes.
Or if it's not one of those states that the state is the same thing as the capital.
Wait.
It's written state and capital.
Baba.
Yeah, I was about to say that it's either it's one of those states that. Yeah,
it is what it is. Hey Siri.
Just shout this to you.
Just in case there's a Siri around. Castro, I told you.
You
One of the
me,
K's.
bro.
KKK, one of the K's. If you are sure, be sure.
No, it's either Good Luck Jonathan or the guy that died before him.
Let's go back.
Okay.
From
right now.
This is the second term.
This is Buhari.
Buhari.
then Good Luck Jonathan.
Good Luck
But
Jonathan.
before Good Luck Jonathan was Yaradua that died. So I think it's Yaradua.
Good luck, Jonathan.
Yaradua. I see. I said it.
I quit.
I said it.
I finally quit. Yaradua.
It's Yaradua.
It's Yaradua.
I was Bruno.
Dewe. Can we go?
Too excited.
No, I'm too happy. It's my artist. The last question. Dewe. It's Dewe.
All right, I'm Sheon,
Tobi Alapo.
and thank you for staying with us on the Conversational with AlFeAdeTV.
Thank you.
Keep watching and subscribe.
Thank you.